Hey folks, nice fall evening out there across the valley with air relatively mild, humidity down. We've got a little bit of fog where the humidity is not down. Port Isabel showing about 0.3 of a mile in fog. No problems at the island right now. Just checked our camera there. Just over a mile in Weslaco visibility, about a half mile at the airport north of Edinburgh. So in some places, patchy stuff, and that's the way it's going to be overnight tonight. Just patchy fog, probably nothing any more significant than that, but there will be some in a few places. Here are the temperatures right now. 65 in McAllen, 63 Weslaco. Harlingen's cool spot at 59, while the beach is the warm spot at 67. It's been steady there most of the day. Now, overnight temperatures don't go much of anywhere. We hold steady right around 60 or so all night, and then tomorrow by lunchtime, back up to about 80. So we warm up quickly tomorrow. Should be another pretty day across the area. Afternoon temperatures, 3 o'clock, 80s in most places. A little cooler at the beach, about 73 there. By tomorrow evening, we're all in the low 70s once again across the region. Wednesday morning, it starts just a little bit warmer. Instead of being close to 60, it'll be closer to 70 Wednesday morning. And by afternoon, readings are back in the 80s again. That's lunchtime. Go out to lunch, temperatures warming up quickly, and by 5 o'clock, we're still sitting 79, 80 or so. Then by Wednesday evening, mid-70s once again. Let's go forward to one more day now. Here's Thursday. We start Thursday, 7 a.m. in the low 70s. Warm, then the humidity's back. Not quite summer-like, but certainly well above normal for middle of November. And by afternoon, temperatures are back in the 80s in most areas again, cooler at the beach. Normal high now is 79 degrees. And we're going to stay above that until Friday, but then another front comes in, and that front will cool it off a little. It's not particularly dramatic. We're not going to get cold, but we'll be down in the low 70s rather than the low 80s, so about a 10-degree drop with that front Friday night. Bringing in some slightly cooler weather for the weekend, but slightly is the key word. Not much on satellite and radar tonight, and Future Check says there'll just be patchy fog overnight and early tomorrow, but for the most part, sunshine rules tomorrow. That'll be the case pretty much all week long. Look at Wednesday, sunshine again pretty much all day. It gets a little windy during the afternoon on Wednesday. That's the change you'll notice. And Thursday, rather breezy as well, kind of a mix of clouds and sun. But what we don't see through Thursday is any rain. Our next shot comes on Friday, a stray shower, a possibility with that next Friday night, and then we're dry again as we head into the weekend. Rest of Texas, not a whole lot different than we are. 40s and 50s up north, 60s in the southern part of the state. Most of the state is clear tonight, and we'll stay that way for a couple more days until the next front gets into the state as we head into the weekend. So for tonight, clear skies early, but then some patchy late fog, 56 degrees for low, light and variable winds. Then tomorrow back up to 82, some patchy fog early, but then some afternoon sunshine, southeast winds about 6 to 12. Your First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast for the next 7 days looks this way. Temperatures stay in the 80s through Friday. Nighttime lows climb into the 70s. Front comes in, temperatures drop about 10 degrees or so, 10 to 15, and we stay pretty comfortable all the way through the weekend. Only chance of rain Friday night with the front, and that only about 10%. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.